to start with some movement. In meditation, we say to keep the spine and the head erect. So there are 3 movements of the spine that needs to be done. Let's fold our hands in front and let's just swing the back, keeping the head looking forward with a big smile. Stretch your spine, sit tall, and with deep breaths, create your own rhythm of the breath. Or with this movement, you can move your hands, be as creative as you can. Make some figures of infinity, because that's where you're going to rest in the meditation. Yes, the second movement is the bend. So lifting one hand up, bend on the other side. And then the other hand up and the other side. Our sides definitely love that stretch. And the third stretch is the arch, forward and back. So putting your hands on the thighs, breathe in and push your chest forward, arch backwards slightly while you're sitting. And then as you take your back behind, you can hug yourself. Breathe in and breathe out, hug yourself. So these are the 3 movements of the spine. And the 3 movements of the head, well, we look up and then we tuck our head in front, breathe in, breathe out, bend forward with the head 3 times. Then we touch the ear to the shoulder. Breathe in, straighten up, breathe out. Make sure the shoulder is not coming up. The ear is going down. Synchronize the movement with the breath. And the third is looking back over your shoulder. Breathe in the center, breathe out on the side. Wonderful. You can just shake up. Our hands, shake our legs, and slowly sit back into stillness.
Let's sit straight with our spine erect, body relaxed as usual. And then now, today we'll start with our tongue and eye movement. Our tongue and eyes say a lot. They're connected to our emotions, our mind. Now, when you look left side up like this, what is happening in the mind? This indicates doubt. When you have doubt, you look, oh, what is this person up to? will this investment work or not? You look up to left side up, and right side up eye is, where did I keep that? Where did I keep my key? When you are trying to remember something, then you look towards right side up. For some people it can be reverse. If you are left-hander, right-hander, this could be reverse. And then if both eyes are going up like this, then that is daydreaming. Wow, what if I get $1 million rupees, $1 million? Daydreaming. Both eyes down, up. And when your eyes are moving towards left side down, don't you know who I am? Right? And right side, when it moves like that, whom you think you are. That sort of expressions come in our own eyes, right? The feelings are expressed in our eyes and particular patterns. Similarly, when the eyes are at 30 degrees, that means you are introvert, your mind is inward. When you are happy, you put both eyes are coming like that, fully awake. And when you are scared, even if it's more like that, right? So eyes are the doors for our mind. And so movement of eyes, something happens interesting. When you move your eyes before meditation, this is not to be practiced on a daily basis, sometime you can do it. It relieves your mind with all those feelings, emotions just stuck somewhere in you. It also brings clarity. Okay. When you enjoy something, your eyes are fully open. When you don't like it, you squeeze it like this, right? So now let's roll our eyes. We'll begin with rolling our eyes. Left up, right down, left up, right down. And let's do this reverse, anti-clockwise. Again clockwise. As you are rolling your eyes, you may feel stuck on some points that indicate stress. There is no stress, your eyes are able to roll very well. Well and faster without any obstruction. आंखें हमारे मन की द्वार है. आंखों की एक एक पोजीशन, एक एक स्थिति मन की एक विशिष्ट भाव को प्रकट करता है. जैसे आप ऊपर देखते हैं बाएं तरफ ऊपर, इसका मतलब ये है संशय है, ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, ये आदमी ठीक है नहीं ठीक है, ये सोचते हैं. वही दाहिने तरफ ऊपर देखते हैं तो ये लगता है कि अरे मैं कहाँ रख दिया उसको, चाबी कहाँ रखा है मैंने. अपने आप याददाश्त के लिए देखते हैं. दोनों आंखें ऊपर जाती है तो उस वक्त हम ये सोचते हैं, दिवा स्वप्न देखते हैं, हाँ क्या होगा, मैं मुख्यमंत्री बन जाऊं, प्रधानमंत्री बन जाऊं, मैं पैसा मिल जाए, मेरे को यश मिल जाए, ये सब बातें ऊपर, दिवा स्वप्न. और नीचे की ओर देखते हैं तो वो अंतर्मुखी होता है. 30 डिग्री पर हम आंखें खुली है, स्थिर हो जाता है तो अंतर्मुखी. वैसे दाहिने तरफ नीचे देखें, हाँ तुम क्या समझते हो अपने आप, बाएं तरफ तुमको नहीं पता है क्या मैं कौन हूँ. इस तरह की तरह तरह की मन में जो भावनाएं उठती, आंख वो एक निर्दिष्ट स्थिति पे आंख उसको दर्शाता है. जब हृदय में प्रेम है तो आंख में दिख जाता है, हृदय में ज्ञान है तो आंखों में दिख जाता है, चिंता हो तो दिख जाता है, क्रोध हो तो दिख जाता है ना. इसलिए अभी हम आंखों को घुमाएंगे दाहिने से बाएं और बाएं से दाहिने, जब घुमाते वक्त हमको आसानी से घूम जाए, मान लेना आप में तनाव कम है, यदि कहीं इधर उधर अटकता है तो वहाँ थोड़ी सी तनाव है, उसको दूर करना है। हाँ? आंखें घुमाते घुमाते हो जाएगा। फिर से करते, आंखों को घुमाइए, दाहिने से बाएं 3 राउंड, बाएं से दाहिने 3 राउंड, फिर दाहिने से बाएं और बाएं से दाहिने। पलके मारते जाएं। Keep blinking your eyes. Blink and blink and blink. पलके मारे, पलकों में भारीपन आए तब तक आंखें मारते रहिए। Keep blinking your eyes. Circulation improves in your eyelids. You may feel heavy, till then keep blinking and blink and blink and blink. Now squeeze your eyes tight. आंखों को खस के बंद करिए, फिर छोड़ दीजिए। Then open your eyes fully. Then again squeeze your eyes and then open your eyes. Now look to your left side. Don't turn your head. If you have a tendency to turn your neck, then hold your chin with one hand and move only your eyes. Your eyes are moving. Remove your chin. Your eyes are towards left side. Now stick your tongue out and move it to the right side. Eyes to the left side, tongue to the right side. Eyes to the right side, tongue to the left side. जीभ एक तरफ हो तो आंख दूसरी तरफ से, इस तरह से किया। Once again we start blinking our eyes. अब जीभ को बाहर करिए, काली की मुद्रा। Now let's stick our tongue out. Eyes closed. And keep your tongue in now. Just relax. One last time, let's blink our eyes faster, 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 faster. And keep your eyes closed now. आंखें बंद रखें, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें। Now let us push our cheek by our tongue. Push your left cheek by your tongue. As a child, you have done these exercises. And now push your right cheek by the tongue. 3 बार करते हैं, अपना गाल को जीभ से दबा के बड़ा करते हैं। Now we sit with our spine erect, body relaxed, eyes closed, आंखें बंद रखते हैं, शरीर को ढीला छोड़ते हैं, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रखते हैं। Let's take our attention to the solar plexus. नाभि के ऊपर सोलार प्लेक्सस है, सूर्य ग्रंथि है, वहाँ हम अपना ध्यान जमाते हैं। अब शरीर का केंद्र है सूर्य ग्रंथि। अपना पूरा ध्यान, पूरी ताकत सूर्य ग्रंथि पर रखते हैं। Let us keep our whole focus on the solar plexus. Solar plexus is the center of our body, like the sun in our solar system. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out, keeping our attention little more attention on the solar plexus. Another deep breath in. Now we will say the word as we breathe out. सांस लेते हैं, सांस छोड़ते वक्त शब्द का उच्चारण करते हैं। सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, विश्राम करें। Let go of all your efforts and simply relax. A gentle attention in the solar plexus and keep relaxing all other muscles and organs of our body. Relax the face and head. Relax shoulders, arms and palms. Now let's relax our legs, thigh and hip. Let us relax all the organs around the solar plexus, the stomach, liver, pancreas. Every organ is relaxing. Gentle attention on the solar plexus. हल्का सा ध्यान सूर्य ग्रंथि पर, नाभि के ऊपर रखते हैं। बाकी सभी अंगों को विश्राम में ले जाते हैं, ढीला छोड़ देते हैं। अमृतत्व की बीज हमारे नाभि में। The nectar is right in the middle of our existence. The center of creativity and sustenance. We were attached to the mother through the umbilical cord. We were getting fed through this, through our navel. The very center of energy in our body, the solar plexus, is very precious. Let's honor this spot in ourselves. Let's pay full attention to the solar plexus. Let the mind go deep in through layers and layers of our stomach, the muscles, tissues. Penetrate your mind through and through to go to the solar plexus. परत दर परत पार करते हुए हमारी मन को, अपनी मन को सूर्य ग्रंथि तक ले जाएं। यह शक्ति का महत्वपूर्ण केंद्र है। और ढीला छोड़ दें। नाउ लेट गो ऑफ एवरीथिंग। ऑल एफर्ट्स आर डन विथ। नो मोर एफर्ट ऑफ एनी सॉर्ट। सब परिश्रम छोड़ दें, सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें। This moment, body still, mind is stable and quiet. When our breath is feeble, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. If you feel like lying down for a few minutes, you may do so. You may lie in Shavasana with a smile on your face and be there for a few minutes. लेटने का मन हो तो थोड़ी देर लेट के शवासन में लेट के आप विश्राम कर सकते हैं.
Rolling over to your right side, you may sit up. दाईं ओर करवट लेते हुए उठ के बैठ जाएं. वातावरण के प्रति सजग होते हुए, मुस्कुराते हुए धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Becoming aware of the surroundings, and with a smile, slowly open your eyes. Aren't you feeling more fresh, alive and enthusiastic now? This is the space from where creativity springs. So we have another challenge for you if you're up to it. You could channelize this creative energy towards writing a poem or a song, maybe paint something or dance. It could be about this 21-day meditation challenge. It could be making a dish or doing something that you love. Post your creative expressions with the hashtag 21-day meditation challenge. And you can choose to post it on any of our social media platforms.